Once again, don't ask me why. Okay, let's talk today on how to shoot panoramic photos on a medium format camera using 35mm film. First of all, you need to have any 120 medium format camera. I borrowed mine from my friend for 1 week, so I gotta go fast. Then, obviously, you need to have a roll of 35mm film and an adapter for it. There are plenty of options available to choose from, but I decided to order 3D prints from a local supplier. Blueprints for adapter, intake spool and a matching viewfinder mask I found on the Thingiverse. Remember, always tip a designer if you like the work. I suggest to replace a regular 120 intake spool with a 3D printed one, since it helps to perfectly align narrow 35mm film. The rest is easy, just extend cassette with adapter parts and don't be afraid, you can't go wrong here. If you are going to use a film back, don't forget to put a roll with a film emulsion facing the lens side. Then, if you would like to save a couple of shots in the beginning of a roll, I suggest to cut a 20 cm long paper strip and tape the beginning of the roll on top of it. You can see how I did it. If you're wondering how it looks inside, I've got you covered. Before you start shooting, pull a lever once and just a little bit so the beginning of an unexposed film will be moved inside the bag to the initial position for the first frame. First 2 shots you need to make in the following way. Cock the shutter, switch to multi-exposure mode, fire, then repeat until your bag will display number 1 in the frame number window. And one little neat trick. You can print viewfinder mask, which will dramatically help to compose a final frame. Later on, I masked out the vertical part, since I didn't plan to shoot the vertical panels. So, with this setup you can easily get 16 frames from a 36 exposures roll.